Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Reonomy for deeper commercial property research, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect with Reonomy for deeper commercial property research, start by visiting the official website. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required personal and business information in the registration form. After submitting the form, check your email for a confirmation link. Click the confirmation link to activate your account. Once your account is active, log in using your credentials. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the layout and features. Navigate to the search bar to begin your property research. Input specific criteria such as location, property type, or property size. Refine the search results using additional filters like ownership status or sale history. Review the detailed property profiles that appear in the search results. Utilize the map view to visualize property locations and surrounding areas. Take note of key metrics provided, such as square footage and recent sales data. If needed, export the data for offline analysis by selecting the export option. List any properties of interest to revisit later by saving them to your favorites. Utilize the analytics tools available for deeper insights into market trends. Engage with community forums or support for additional guidance and expertise. Regularly check back for updates and new features added by Reonomy. Make the most of Reonomy's resources to enhance your commercial property research. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.